owners in that demolished area. Right now, the Competition Authority of Kenya has ordered Guarantee Trust Bank Kenya Limited to pay a penalty of 33 million for engaging in false and misleading representations and unconscionable conduct against its customer ASL Limited, contrary to the Competition Act. The investigation into GT Bank's conduct was occasioned by a complaint lodged with the authority by ASL on 5th October 2024, alleging unfair treatment in the management of and renewal of its credit facilities held with the bank. And now I quote from the statement by the Competition Authority. In July 2021, ASL secured credit facilities including overdrafts, letters of credit guarantees, asset financing, and working capital support. Now, in its complaint, ASL alleged that despite numerous engagements over several months, GT Bank did not issue a definitive position on the renewal application. And now the authority has ordered GT Bank Limited to refund ASL Limited 13 million, being the summation of the fees and charges determined as improperly levied. And now